Oh. Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. A little bit of an unexpected video here. So in my last video you guys saw, I was talking about there was a snowstorm coming in, and that absolutely happened exactly like they said. So we've got quite a bit of snow, a lot of ice. The roads were frozen over. Been stuck in the house for 3 days straight. Has been driving me crazy. I did have a little fun playing with the kids outside in the snow. That was kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie, but over time I'm ready to go get a line weight. So today we're meeting up with my buddy Trent. We're gonna go fish his pond. It won't be too long of a drive since the roads are still a little bit frozen, but we're gonna take the risk, drive to his house, fish his pond, and hopefully get on some of these fish that are probably frozen right now. I don't know how good the bite's gonna be, but I have to get a line weight. I am itching to try to get a tug. So you guys come along. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let's get out there. Roll the B-roll. Hey Bubba, do you know what the best way to get to your house is?
Probably come down 80 to 59.
80 to 59 and then get on the loop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they were, this morning they had salt trucks running up and down the big roads, laying down new liquid ice melt stuff.
Okay, I'm on 80 right now. I'm going about to pass Whataburger and all that, so I just wanted to know which way would be better. That way I don't, because over there these back roads by my house are still real slick. I was backing out my driveway, I kept sliding down the hill. So yeah, but yeah, I'm on my way.
Okay, bro.
Sweet. All right, well, I'll be there in a few minutes.
All right.
All right, bye. What do you say, Bubba?
There you go.
Ready to go get on them?
Huh?
You ready to go get on them?
Maybe.
Let's see what they're doing, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna start with a big jig and go for that big bite. What do you say we do best 5 if we can catch 5?
I say that.
You wanna try that?
Absolutely.
I got my scale in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw a GoPro on you. See if we can get best 5. See what we can come up with after this craziness. Yeah, the ice was hard yesterday. It was hard to break it. Yeah, I didn't think about it till I got here. I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Why not on an icy day? It ain't very often you get some cool drone shots in the snow.
I wonder what happened here at Cam Beaver.
Chewed it up?
Yeah, he just got him a couple.
Oh wow. You got him a couple pieces of plastic, huh? Whew, I done got too used to mine. Whew, I'm not used to these small kayak no more. This used to be nothing. Now I feel like I'm floating on a piece of plastic, a little bitty piece of plastic compared to mine. I done got too spoiled.
How big is that one? 12, 13 feet?
13.2. It's just a tad bit shorter than my big boat. My big boat's 16.5.
Big house. I know where my crappie went. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. That is a Daiwa Tatula. Something, something, a whole bunch of letters. 70. Compared to a Cash and Icon, this is their BFS series. It's a 610 medium fast, medium light, and surprisingly that's 70. There it is right there. Tatula SV TW 70. Throws BFS baits really, really well. Let's go 4x4. We're gonna get stuck. I just got my skater.
Oh, that felt like a bite. Oh, something thumped it. That felt good. I've heard two different things from like fishermen. I hear some fishermen say like when it's really cold they're gonna go out deeper, but then I hear some other ones say like when the sun comes out they go up shallow because the water hitting the sun and it's warmer. So I don't really know which one is true. Dang it. Creating chaos over here. I promise this isn't my first time kayak fishing. You ever drop shot out here?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah, I know. I'm still thinking about those fish on the river I've been on. Oh, there's one. We hooked up finally, yeah. Oh, come on. I don't want an aquarium fish.
I was about to say, we're about to start cracking. We're going to crack them.
Sad thing is, I was just getting ready to change over and put that little spider jig on, and that fish bit. It's like, there gummit, now I got to fish with it for just a little bit longer. But I'm trying to fish this brake line. Because what this island is, it's the original pond dam to that side that you just got, the shallow side. Yeah. That was the original pond, and then the guy on this property before us had this side dug out, dammed up, and then they come back with the track hoe and cut this ditch.
Oh, okay. So it opened it back up.
So you got, like on this side over here, it's 12, 14 foot deep right through here. And then the other side, it's about the same thing. But then it gets real shallow real quick on that old side.
Man, it feels good to be fishing after being stuck in the house for like 3 days. Last time I counted out the jerk bait, and that's what they were eating on. the way things are going right now, it's gonna be a hard 5 to get. But I feel like eventually they're gonna turn on and we're gonna be able to, you know, get some bites here and there. Trent got one so far, so that kind of tells us I know they'll bite, but just got to stick it out and continue to throw different baits, and hopefully one of them will stick. Which one that is, we don't know, or maybe a certain part of the pond we'll be able to find them stacked up is what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm hoping for. I haven't tried the middle of the pond out deep yet, so that's my next thing here. There's one, guys. Oh. Okay. I don't think he's skill worthy, but it's hopefully a sign or something. We beat the skunk on the other hand.
Oh, dadgummit. This sucks. Can't believe I did this. Right at the top of this tree. Let me stand up a little bit. Maybe y'all can see. Oops. I don't know if y'all can see down in there. Lost a jackhammer right here due to a beaver. Cut my line. I snagged a tree. Set rod down. Come back next morning, line cut. Hey, I found a bait. I caught a bait. Oh, no shit, I caught my jackhammer. No shit. Get out of here. That's my jackhammer. That is my jackhammer. It's ruined, but I found it. Today's a good day no matter what now. I found my bait. How bad is that hook actually? Oh no, the hook's good. Hook's good. It's just got some mud, slime on it. Take this little thing off. That's awesome. That's a good bait. That's a good one. Yeah, buddy. Pull all this line. Yeah, beaver cut that. Been a lot of baits lost right here in all this wood. And every year there'll be a 6 or 7 pounder spawn right here. And another one equally as big right here. I said, well, one that spawns right there. One spawns right here. All right. Oh, back in the game. Let's go. Oh, there's one guy. Oh, he came off. Gosh. He was running at me and I couldn't keep up with him. We're gonna see if there's any possible life. This is a little creek. Cuts back through here. It's a spring, natural spring. It runs deeper. Let's bust some ice. Come on now. How'd you ties it? I'm putting a native kayak to the test. Thinking about a kayak. I will vouch on a native. I've had this kayak since 2019. And I've thrown it in the bed of my truck and traveled all over this country working and fishing. She's been in California water, Florida water, Texas, North Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, Oregon, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri. I mean, haven't changed anything. Still the original steering, the original cables. Everything's original except for, I take that back, the prop. This is a different prop than the original prop. I busted the fin off 3 or 4 years ago on Pines. I hit a stump in big waves. Other than that, jam up, rock solid. Found this spinnerbait on Big Cypress. I think it's a Strike King, or I don't know. Found it in a tree though.
I tied on a shaky head with a real small finesse worm. And that's what I've been throwing right now. I'm kind of doing the same. I'm trying to lock in, and like you said, I think they're stuck to the bottom, so hopefully I can just drag it nice and slow and entice one to bite. There's one. Oh, that's a good one too. Shaky head. He's dragging me around. Oh, that's a giant, brother. That's a big one. I saw him. Yeah, he's big. He's big. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Come here, baby. Don't come off. He's burning. Hey,
that's all. That's close to you.
Oh my gosh! Look how he's skin hooked. Look at that.
Eddie just caught a giant.
Guys, whew, that'll give you the shakes. I'm gonna take him to the bank. Oh my gosh. Big fish of the year right here. What's your guess? I say it at 8.5. I don't know, man. That thing's huge. That thing is huge.
That's a big fish up there.
I wish I had the clamp. I like it better. Seven, 7.5.
7.5.
Wow.
A little bit bigger than that.
7.5. That'll make up for all 5 fish.
Oh, it's a beautiful fish.
Wow, what a giant.
Look how thick that tail is on
I know. Spawning season, it'll be an easy 10.
Here, let me
Gosh. Look at the mouth on it. What a beauty.
You let her go. I'm gonna video her swimming off for you. She goes.
Woo! That'll just turn your whole day around right there. It was already a good day and it just got a whole lot better. 2 of those and we'll get a 15-pound sack, brother. I said 2 of those, we'll have a 15-pound sack. Oh, the legs. I needed that leg stretch. Well guys, we finished up the day. It is about 4:30 in the evening. Well, guess I'm doing it with this one then. Oh. Even better, we can see ourselves. Well, we just finished up the day, guys. It's about 4:30 in the evening. Temperature's starting to drop. It's supposed to get down to about 13 degrees tonight, so everything's gonna freeze over again. We got lucky, got to do a little fishing. We were doing best 5, but I don't even think we caught 5 total. Caught a couple small ones, and then you guys saw that giant. So I guess our best 5 would be at 7.5 pounds, which ain't bad for one fish. I'll take that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.